Okay, if you look at 18, it looks very similar. What's wrong? Good for you. If you look at 18 now, it looks similar to 17. In fact, it is the same, isn't it? The diagram below shows a car battery of 12 volts resistance, or the lights have a total resistance 1.2. Okay, show that the voltmeter reading. Alright, so it's a little bit different. So we'll do 18 now. Battery resistance 1.2, 12 volts. Show that if the voltmeter reading falls from 12 to 11 when the lights are switched on, that the internal resistance. Okay, so what you have is at the beginning the switch is open and your voltmeter says the voltage is 12. And then when you close the switch, the voltage drops down to 11. So when the switch is closed, it becomes 11. So while it's open, the current is going like this. Yes? Now, when it closes, it'll be going like this. Adele, focus please. You seem very unfocused today. No. Not working for you?
No.
Okay, so the current is going around like in that direction.
And we don't have the current.
We don't have the current, okay?
So we have to wait for the
But
resistors.
we're asked to find what the voltage is. No, we're told that the voltage is 11. Calculate this OR here. Okay, so let's write down our equation. So in this situation, how much is the battery? 12.
Yeah.
It's given. So it's 12 minus I OR minus 1.2 times I equals 0. Which rule is that? The loop rule. So you can get 12 equals I times OR plus 1.2, or you get I equals 12 over OR plus 1.2.
Oh, so we don't have the I.
We don't have the I. Now, when the loop is closed, what's the voltage here? 11. And if you look at how this battery is drawn, this is the start and this is the end. So that 11 volts is the voltage through this one. So we can use Ohm's law, V equals I OR. So I equals V over OR. So that would be 11 over 1.2.
9.166.
9.166, so 17. That's the I. So you can put that into there. And you'll get 9.17 equals 12 over OR plus 1.2. And that would be. Yep. And when you solve that, you'll get OR equals 0.109 ohms. Why 11? The question said when the switch is closed, this now reads 11 volts. So that's given in the question. And then part C here, explain why 8 batteries of 1.5 volts would not work. It's only 1 mark. So just use your brain for a moment. I know you can do this. You know those little AA batteries? They're 1.5 volts. So if you have 8 of them stacked back to back, how much is that? 12 volts. This car needs, for the headlights, it needs 12 volts. So if I connect these 8 AA batteries to the headlights of the car, will the lights work properly?
No.
No. Why not?
Because the inner resistance will increase.
Ah, no. Make it simpler. It's only one mark. Why not?
Because
Yes.
once it starts, the battery will start.
Yeah, but what? You're missing the key point. You're so close. But the key thing is, the power is not enough. Okay? Because what's the formula for power? IV. So just because you have the right voltage does not mean you'll also have the right current. You need both of these to be the right value. Okay? Remember my example earlier. If I connect this to an AA battery, even if the voltage is right, doesn't actually mean that it will work properly. You need the voltage and the current to be correct. Yeah? What's the maximum current you can get from one of these? Current. What is it?
120.
No, current, not voltage. This can give you at most safely 13 amps. And what's the voltage? What's the voltage of this?
220 or
About 220. So the maximum power, can you multiply these, Avenel?
260.
2.
860.
Okay, actually I guess it can be much bigger than this. For safety reasons, this is the recommended maximum. But in fact, I think this could, if you really push it, you could get it probably up to 20. So what is it if it's at 20?
4400.
4400, okay. Most things in your home will be less than 3000 watts. Most things. Washing machine, electric kettle, dryer, less than 3000. There's only one situation where you would need 4000, and that is in your refrigerator. When you first buy a new refrigerator and first turn it on, for about 12 hours at the beginning of its life, it will be using 4000 watts. Yep. But other than that, it's normally 3000 watts, okay? Alright. Last one of these type now, 19.